All right, yes, guys and girls, welcome back to another episode with myself, Luke. So I hope you had a fantastic week. So today it is the 17th of May, and I am coming to you a little bit later than usual, so I do apologise. So we're going to go over this in just a second, some top altcoins to watch in 2024 as the bull market gets going, which coins could do a 50 to 100x returns for you. So we'll check this out in just a second. Over on Bitcoin on the daily, and we're going to zoom in a moment on the 4 hourly, and then we'll zoom out to the weekly and the monthly, etc. My thoughts on Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin space. As you can see, the week has been pretty good right across the board. We're back in the green even for the month, and just last week, just the last 2 weeks, everything was down 30-40%, and just look how fast things can turn around in the world of crypto. So congratulations to all those that didn't panic over that period when Bitcoin had that pullback. So yeah, good job to you guys and girls. And if you bought coins in the red, then again, congratulations to you for dollar cost average and getting into those altcoins, because we could be moments away from a massive altcoin rally or an altcoin season. Yes, the Bitcoin dominance is still at 56%, and I'm really hoping very, very soon. I mean, this thing has been traveling up since 2023, but we'll go into that in just a second. First of all, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, leave comments in the comment section below. Let me know what altcoins you're buying up, what genre of coins you're interested in, maybe meme coins, DeFi, AI, big data, etc., etc. So let me know what you are interested in. So before we go over into the news about altcoins, the dominance, etc., let's just look at Bitcoin right now. So 2 days ago on my channel, if you're with me, I was talking about this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and this is exactly what happened. I was filming this while this green candle here was still inside this triangle, this symmetrical triangle, or even downwards, but the bull flag that we looked at on my channel, and just what I think it was around, I don't even know if it was 2 hours, 3 hours just after we had the CPI data that came in, and boom, the green candle for that daily went straight up to $66,453. And so this, the inverse head and shoulders pattern is playing out right now. It hasn't completely got to my price target, which is all the way past 70,000 US dollars. Some other analysts and crypto guys and girls out there are expecting 71, 72k, and others are thinking and predicting right now a 90 to 95k Bitcoin that we could shoot straight up from there. So again, on my channel, I like to be objective. I don't want to just say that right now we're going to go straight to 95 and everybody just goes full blown straight into it. There is a word of caution that we're going to go over in just a second. So zooming out, I was looking at the monthly a few days ago. I didn't bring it out on my video, but it wasn't looking good. We had this, or we've had what, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7 beautiful monthly candles, all the way to our new all-time high of 70, almost 74k. And then we had that monthly candle where we dropped down. How much was this? It was around 18, 20%. So could this be the pullback that we were all waiting for? Personally, I do, and I still expect Bitcoin to come down to these levels of 51k. I thought it would come around a little bit sooner, maybe in May, but I mean, the market is so fast. Over the next 2 weeks, I mean, we could reverse, but I mean, it's looking fantastic. And now this green candle wasn't looking that great even a week ago, and I was very concerned that it was going to be very weak for the month of May, and we were going to form some sort of, like, I don't know, blow off top or a triple top if we zoom right out and we go all the way back to the last cycle. I was worried that, and still not out the woods yet. I mean, we still have to blast past 67k for me to flip short-term bullish. Long-term, long-term, I'm really bullish for this year, but I was concerned about a potential triple top pattern forming, and all of a sudden other crypto guys were talking about this not looking pretty just a few days ago, and now all of a sudden we're at 67k. We did go above it. Let's just go back to the daily. We snuck just past it to $67,400, and right now it's going to be interesting to see this candlestick, this daily candlestick, if we close above the 67k. If we close above the 67k, then I will be flipping short-term bullish, and I expect that we go to the price target of this inverse head and shoulders of 70, just over 70,000. So I was looking at this morning. It looked like we were going to form like some sort of W pattern. We did go over. We've retesting it right now. So this is the 4-hourly candle pattern right now, the 4-hourly time frame. But yeah, if we close on the daily above the 67k, that will be fantastic, because then I believe that we will go to that price target of this inverse head and shoulders. If we close below it, we are going into the weekend. Weekends tend to be boring. If we do blast past it over the weekend, that is not, for me, it's not great news, because then we're going to form a massive CME gap just below. And if you're new to the channel, CME gaps usually 8-9 times out of 10 do get filled up. So if we do blast past this over the weekend, which I doubt it, weekends are generally boring because the big institutions are basically not at work over the weekend, it's just retail investors. But if we do pump considerably, then we're going to form a CME gap just below, and 8-9 times out of 10 CME gaps usually get filled up. So we could see something where, if, let's just I don't know, just imagine as an example that we do blast over the next 2 days up to this price per target, then we're going to form a CME gap down here at 67 to 68k. We could come down and retest this. So personally, I hope today we close above 67k, and the next 2 days we just go sideways, and then Monday, Tuesday, well, Monday's a bank holiday. I don't know, it's a bank holiday here in France. I don't know if it's a bank holiday all around the world, but if it is, I don't even know what bank holiday is. I don't remember. Anyway, so there's a possibility that some of the markets won't be open again on Monday. So it'll be interesting on Tuesday to see if we get a retest. If we close above 71k today, we get a retest on the Tuesday, and then boom, we go up to that price target of this inverse head and shoulders. If we close today below the 67k, then it's going to be interesting to see if we roll over here and go to a lower price point. So we just roll over and come back down to this channel of 60, 62, 63k. So again, if you've taken this trade, fantastic. Just make sure you've put your stop loss at break even. If you're looking at a trade setup right now, my personal opinion, not financial advice of course, is just wait for either a breakout or a breakdown. If you want to go long, you want to go short, you do as you wish. You've got my Bitflex Bybit in the link in the description below. You got the links there in the description below. You can go long, you can go short. Just have proper risk management and don't get wrecked. Don't be greedy. Don't chase the markets. Let the markets come to you. One of the best things that I do is to basically be reactive on a breakout. And yes, I didn't take this trade. I did mention this in my video that I wouldn't be taking this trade. I'm waiting for some key levels. Again, you can go and check my video out on the last few days of the levels that I've spoken about for a swing long position. But if you're into this day trading business, then if you got into this, then fantastic, fair play to you. You would be up right now, what, 6-7%? Yeah, 6.5% fantastic. So this, if this does play out, this inverse head and shoulders, this would be a nice 11, 12%. And then from there, if we do go all the way to 71k, the next target would be our all-time high. And let's see if we break it going into the summer months. So that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Some of the altcoins have been doing fantastic because Bitcoin has been exploding. And what top altcoins to look out for 50 to 100x returns? Again, the short answer is I have no idea. That's my honest opinion. What I would say, what I believe, is that AI and crypto gaming is so undervalued. Maybe this could be the season, the narrative. I've been saying this on my channel. Other crypto guys have been talking about this as well. AI, big data, and crypto gaming could be the narrative of this market, just like DeFi was a few years ago. I believe that AI and gaming will be the one to make you 50 to 100x returns. Which coins they are in that space, I have no idea. You have to do your own research. I have spoken about some of the AI projects, some of the game projects. You can check out my videos. Some old timers in gaming, new gaming coins like Beam, and many others that haven't had a proper bull cycle yet. If we go from the bottom of if we go from the halving through the whole cycle, or even just before the halving through the bear market of Bitcoin, some of these gaming projects, AI coins, haven't even had a full cycle yet. So some of these things have been exploding already, yet others haven't even started yet. So for me, gaming, you should be looking at that. AI for sure. And again, it could be the narrative of the market, and some of these things I believe could make you a 50 to 100x in this cycle. So let me know which gaming projects and which AI projects you're into. Let me know in the comments section below. I'll take a look at them. Some of the coins that I've been looking at if you are not new to the channel. And then maybe next week or in the next 2 weeks, we'll be looking at gaming and AI again, looking at some of those coins. So just be careful out there. I know it's exciting to be in crypto this year. I believe this is not even the start. Well, it is the start, technically just after the Bitcoin halving. But this is nothing compared to what we're going to see towards the end of the year. So jump into crypto if you're not in it. Again, not financial advice. Try to get some exposure on it. But the risk is, if I'm being honest, you could lose all your money. And that's just the way it is in crypto. So thanks guys and girls for watching, sticking to the end again of my episode. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week for more news about Bitcoin, more news about altcoins. Again, have a great weekend, and see you next time. Bye-bye.